our project of smart irrigation system for farm. In this project, we have made this demo model. This is our demo model. This is rain sensor, soil moisture sensor. This is our controller circuit. This is 9-volt motor. We have given the power supply through simple mobile chargers. So simple the working is that we have automized this our farm. So for automation we have used this Wi-Fi module. This is our Wi-Fi module. This is 889651 microcontroller. This is DHT11 sensor. These are sensors. This is rain sensor and soil moisture sensor. These are two relays. This relay is for motor controlling, and this relay is for controlling of this controller. It is automatic or manual purpose. This is voltage regulator for this controller. So basically the working is that when our device is connected to the internet, our ESP8266 module is connected to internet, and we are seeing these parameters on laptop of Arduino IDE. We have programmed this controller using Arduino IDE. We can also see the circuit parameters on this ThingSpeak IoT cloud. This is a free cloud provided by ThingSpeak IoT. This cloud service gives API keys. These are the API keys. This is channel feed API key, read API key. Using these API keys, we can program this controller. We can see here we can see the temperature and humidity parameters on our app. We can control this system through any remote place. We have some buttons here, that is automatic and manual control, motor on and motor off. When we click the motor on button, just wait for 15 seconds. As we are using the free IoT cloud, it gives delay of 15 seconds. When we click motor on, this motor is now on. And when we click motor off button, after 15 seconds, Pani is supplying to this overall farm. And when we click motor off button, yes, motor is off. The water supply gets off. And when we are using this system in a automatic control mode, the motor gets automatically on when the soil in this area gets dry. For time being, we are putting this off. When we put this off, means the soil is now dry, and we can see the motor is now on. Okay, and when the soil gets moisture again, the motor gets off. So thank you.